17 years. It's Sunday, August 12, 2018, 11:45 a.m. And the 17-year cicadas are up out of the ground. Let me get a chair here so I can sit and get a good picture of this. They dig up out of the ground in a shell, and then they dig out of it, crack it open. They then become a flying insect. They're a member of the locust family. She's putting coal around to hold down the napkin that this thing's on.
Aww.
And he's still moving. They mate and they die, but it looks like they don't die instantly. She found him upside down on the ground. And you see how big he is in the picture. My thumb. So it's a rarity for us to see one of these still alive. Don't know how long they last after they mate. No, it's not too long. And also know that the shell changes colors. I can't get it.
This is what they look like when they come out of the ground.
Yeah, they break out of the back of that hole there. And he flipped over again. After the dead of a while, the bellies turn white. I just can't get it. There we go. And I think he's done. Oh, there's a white belly. So